Let's quickly run through setting the time on a G-Shock GD-100. To enter time setting mode, we're going to want to press and hold our adjust button. We'll hear it beep and our seconds will start flashing. Now we can zero them with our forward button. To enter the next setting, we're going to press mode. This will allow us to choose daylight savings time off or on. Mode again will allow us to choose our time zone. Mode again will allow us to adjust our hour. Mode again will allow us to adjust our minutes. Mode once more will allow us to choose 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will allow us to set our year. Mode again will allow us to set our month. And mode once more will allow us to set our day. Mode again will bring us to LT, which is our light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. And finally, we'll have FL, which is our flash alarm off or on. And once we're done with all that, we'll simply press adjust once more. And now our watch's time is set. Thank you guys for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope it was clear and helpful. And if you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thank you.